Hi everyone, today I'm gonna be sharing my CTM routine with you all. Firstly, I am using the Jovi's Tea Tree face wash. This face wash is suitable for acne prone skin. It exfoliates deeply and removes excess oil and dirt. Next, I am using the cucumber toner from Jovi's. It gives a very cooling and refreshing effect after applying it, as you can see. The last product is Jovi's aloe vera moisturizer. It's a very lightweight, non-greasy formula, and you can see it's very easy to apply because of the palm. I'm taking some time to massage it into my skin to achieve best results. And that's all for today. Hope you guys have enjoyed watching the video. Do not forget to check out the products on jovis.com. See you guys soon. Take care. Bye bye.